English hobbies and pastimes. Dive into fun. Hello everyone. Today, we're journeying into the world of English-speaking countries to explore popular hobbies and pastimes. Whether you're a fan of arts, sports, or simply relaxing, understanding these activities can enhance your English learning and cultural comprehension. Let's dive in. Indoor hobbies are those activities that people often do within the confines of their homes or indoors. Reading, one of the most cherished hobbies. From novels to magazines, English-speaking countries have a rich tradition of literature. Crafting, whether it's knitting, sewing, or scrapbooking, crafting is a beloved pastime. It allows people to create and personalize objects. Board games and puzzles. Games like Monopoly, Scrabble, and jigsaw puzzles have been family favorites for generations. Cooking and baking. Many enjoy experimenting with recipes and flavors. Some popular dishes include apple pie, roast dinners, and chocolate chip cookies. Activities that are often practiced in open spaces, gardens, or parks. Gardening. From growing flowers to cultivating vegetables, gardening is a therapeutic and rewarding hobby. Hiking. Exploring nature and trekking through mountains or forests is a favorite pastime, especially in regions with natural beauty. Fishing. A calm and patient activity, fishing is loved by many, especially in coastal areas or near lakes and rivers. Sports. Activities like football, or soccer, as known in the US, cricket, or tennis are not just professional sports but also favorite weekend activities. With the rise of technology, new hobbies have emerged. Video gaming. From consoles to PC games, video gaming is immensely popular across all age groups. Blogging and vlogging. Sharing personal stories, reviews, or educational content online has become a common hobby. Photography. With the accessibility of cameras and smartphones, capturing moments has never been easier. Drone flying. A more recent hobby, flying drones gives a bird's-eye view of landscapes and is often combined with photography. Hobbies that allow for bonding and community building. Book clubs. Groups of people gather, either in person or online, to discuss a chosen book. Dance and music classes. Whether it's salsa dancing or learning the guitar, these classes are popular for both the skill and the social aspect. Sports leagues. Local communities often have leagues for sports like basketball, softball, or even bowling. Traveling. Exploring new places, whether within one's own country or abroad, is a favorite pastime. Hobbies and pastimes offer a glimpse into the daily lives and preferences of people from English-speaking countries. They not only provide entertainment but also offer a chance to bond, learn, and grow. We hope this overview has given you a clearer picture and enriched your English language journey. Remember, the next time you're practicing your English, try discussing your hobbies or asking someone about theirs. It's a great conversation starter. See you next time.